In today's video, I will walk you through how to change text font size in MetaTrader 5. Start by looking at the toolbar near the top of the MetaTrader 5 platform. You'll see several icons, and the one you're looking for is the icon that looks like a capital T. This is the text tool. Go ahead and click the T icon once. Selecting this tool lets MetaTrader 5 know that you want to work with text on your chart. After selecting the text tool, move your mouse over to the chart where you want the text to appear. Click once on the chart to choose the location for the text object. If you're creating new text, this click creates the location where the text box will appear. If you're changing the font size of text that's already on the chart, click directly on the existing text object instead, so that it becomes selected. Once the text object is active, you'll need to open its settings. To do this, right-click directly on the text object. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, choose the option that opens the text object's Properties or Parameters window. When the Properties or Parameters window opens, you'll see the available settings for the selected text. Look through the window until you find the Font section. This area contains the font options for the text object. Within the Font section, you'll be able to choose the font type, the font style, and the font size. Locate the font size setting and change it to the value you want to use. If you want the text to appear larger on the chart, choose a larger font size. If you want the text to take up less space, choose a smaller font size instead. After selecting the font size you want, review the settings to make sure everything looks correct. When you're satisfied with the changes, click OK or Apply to save the new settings. As soon as you confirm the changes, the text on your chart should update using the new font size. If the text still isn't the size you want, you can repeat the same process. Select the text object again, open its Properties or Parameters window, adjust the font size, and confirm the changes. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. And thank you for watching.